Hi children, welcome back in our online grammar classes. Dear student, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous video we have started the lesson number 18 and that is article. Okay? Article. So students, yesterday only is our last period. I have taught you how to use articles and where to use them. Okay. So now we have to solve this exercise. Question number A is here. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles a, an or the. Three articles are there and we have to use them properly where necessary. Okay, so let's see. First one is given girl. Student, girl is a common noun and again it is starting with consonant sound. So we have seen if any common noun, singular countable common noun begins with consonant letter or consonant sound, so then we use their article a. So we can write here a girl. Second word is umbrella. So students, it is also common noun umbrella and it is singular countable thing. It is begins with u and this is vowel sound. So here we have to use an umbrella. Third one, aunt, aunt. Students, again, this is also common noun aunt and it is singular, begins with vowel. So that's why we have to use here an aunt. Okay, students, in this way, I think you can solve this all words by your own. These all questions solved by your own. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Okay. So now we will see next question. Question B. Page number 63. Now see question B. What is given here? Fill in the blanks with a, an or the in the sentences given below. Now sentences are given there and we have to fill the blanks to complete the sentence. Have you got dash £1 coin for me? Students, I have already taught you this also. We have seen our IO class also. One is beginning with O. It is vowel, but while reading, students, we are reading it as a consonant V. Okay, spelling is there O-N-E, but we are reading it one. So we should use here article A. Have you got a £1 coin for me? Second one, Bible is dash holy book of Christians. So what should be here? Bible. It is a book, but it is not any common book. It is particular book. Okay, so we should write here the Bible is a holy book of Christians. Means there is no need to write any article before Christians. Okay, Christians. Why? Because it is plural and this name is written here considered for all the community, all the religion, Christians. Okay. Now third one, sun rises in east. So before sun we should take article the. Why? Because it is one thing in word, the sun rises in the east. Again, why the east? So students, before the name of direction we use the. Okay, the east. Fourth one, would you like dash cup of tea and dash cake? So would you like a cup of tea and a cake? It's also very easy exercises there. Fifth one, I like sleeping with dash window open for fresh air. So what should be here? I like sleeping with window open for fresh air with a window open for fresh air. India is the best country in dash world. Now while talking about world, we should use definite article the in the word. Okay. Students, remaining sentences you complete by your own. Okay, 7 and 8. Now let's see question number C. Rewrite the sentences using articles a and other whenever necessary. Okay, wherever necessary. If there is no need, so no need to write. If it is necessary, so we should put the articles and rewrite them once again. One example is done for you. Moon is shining in sky. This is the sentence. Without article it is written. So students, its answer is given here already. The moon is shining in the sky. Okay. The moon is shining in the sky because moon is only one thing in the world. So that's why the is used here. And sky is also one only. That's why also used here the sky. Now let's see first sentence. Honest man never steals. Honest man never steals. Student, honest man. If you see the first word honest, it is adjective used for the man, but we can use here article before honest. So we should see how the honest word start. If we see about spelling, it's starting with H and H is consonant, but student, while reading we read it as honest. Honest. Okay. So H is silent here. H is silent. We don't read H. Honest. Now it is beginning with vowel sound. That's why we should use here an honest. Okay. An honest man never steal. Understood? Now second one. How blue sky looks. How blue sky looks. So student, one noun is here sky, and this is one common thing. This is one thing in the word only. So we have to use their article before sky. So which article should be there for sky? How blue the sky looks. Okay, the sky looks. Understood? Next, third one. I ate apple and sandwich for lunch. So what should be article and where should it be? I ate apple sandwich. These two are nouns and before them we have to use articles. I ate. Now apple begins with vowel sound, that's why we should take there an apple. I ate an apple and a sandwich. For lunch. Okay. Students, again I have solved here 3 sentences and more 3 sentences are there. So this is only your homework. You have to solve remaining 3 sentences by your own. So whatever the remaining part from this lesson is left, that is you have to work only on it. Okay, you have to write the answer by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can message me. No problem, I will solve it for you. I hope you understood this video very well. The remaining part we will continue in our next video.